Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now take a needle and the thread and put it inside each riddle. Now we'll be filling the gap like this by putting these stitches. So first put the dots around the shape like this and then make a star and then fill it like this by putting the threads on it. Keep repeating the process and keep filling the threads in the between like this. Fill these stars with the threads one by one and you will get a shape of a snowflake like this and fix it till the end in the same manner. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, take a socks, cut it from the between like this. Now after cutting it out, we'll be putting these stitches on the sides like this. So you will get a shape and cut it like this. Now put the other thing and make these stitches over it. After that, make the lines like this by putting these stitches carefully, put the threads very well, and then after that, make these stitches on it. You will get the frills like this and fix it. Now tie it at the end and fix the threads as shown in the video. Now put the thread again on the top side as well and put these stitches like this. Make these stitches carefully as we are making here and keep fixing it like this. And then you will get a shape like this and fill the cotton inside it and then close it like this and then tie it with the threads on the top again. Make the rolls like this and fix it. Now you will get a flower like shape and put the stone in the between and fix it with the thread like this. Now tie it at the back by putting a rubber band and it's done. Next, take a sweater and then fold it like this and put the thread like this and roll it. Fix the threads carefully as shown in the video and then tie it like this and make a shape and fix the threads on the top of the needle like this by folding it one by one. Keep folding it carefully as shown in the video and tie it like this. Now after that, fold it and put the stone on the top and then again repeat the process with the help of the threads. Now at the end, we'll be pulling the needle from the between like this and you will get a beautiful stitch out of it like this and fix it. And look, again, it's done. Next, we'll be taking a zip and then fix it with the thread. So first, take the needle and tie it like this. Tie it with the threads one by one till the top. Keep repeating the process and just put the needle and the threads one by one as shown in the video. Keep tying it and putting the stitches like this. Take it till the top as shown. Now, after you are done with this, fix the needle in the between and then pull it out like this. Make these stitches in the same manner as shown in the video. Put the stitches like this and put the threads. Tie it like this one by one and fix it. Now fix it till the end and then again we'll be putting the stitch like this and it's done. Next, you can put the stitch like this with the needle and the thread one by one as shown in the video. So you can put it like this in the similar way till the top to fix the torn part of the cloth. So you can use the same color as of the cloth or a different color with the contrast as well. So fold it like this on the top and then fix it. Put the stitches and then at the top stitch or just pull the thread like this and it will get closed like this and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.